Welcome back to the channel. AAJ Humbait Karn Whale Hein EKI's fighter jet K Bahrain main Jo Turkey K Li EK historic moment represent Kar High the 2026 TAI TF KAAN. Ya Turkey Kapala 5th generation fighter jet high, or ISKA development Pura Kapura Turkish Aerospace Industries, Yani TAI, K under Hora High. TAI TF KAAN Na serve Turkey key military capabilities Ko boost Karga, Baki ISE global stage PEEK major aerospace player Banane key tariff Bada step Mana Jaira High. Toshurakar Te Hein is jet K design SETF KAAN Ka overall look stealth focused high ISKA angular frame, internal weapons bay, or radar absorbing coating ISE radar detection SE Bachata High. ISKA twin engine layout or sharp, sleek fuselage USI class main Aata Hijahan AAP F-22 Raptor or Su-57 Ko Rocked Ho. Lekan TF KAAN Turkey Ka Apna Jawab High in Jets Ko, built with modern combat needs in mind. Jet Ka size be impressive high ISKI length lag bag 21 meters high, or wingspan around 14 meters. Ya size or configuration TF KAAN Ko long range missions K Li ideal Banata high, or advanced maneuverability be provide Karda high. Performance K level PE, TF KAAN Ko design Kia Gaya high to reach speeds of over Mach 1.8. Ismalaga Haga supercruise capability, Jo Iska Matlab high K yes supersonic speeds Bina afterburner K maintain Kar Sakta high ya feature surf advanced 5th gen jets main Hoda high. Combat range be 1100 km SE Yapar Hoki, Jo Turkey K defense coverage K Liba Hut Bada asset ban Jada high. Cockpit key bait Korean To TF KAAN fully digital cockpit offer Karga touchscreen controls, advanced HUD heads-up display, or AI-powered flight assistance systems. Pilot K POS Battlefield Ka 360-degree view Haga through integrated sensors and helmet-mounted display system. ISKA MATLAB high better decisions, faster reactions, or safer missions. Weapons system be equally modern Haga. TF KAAN carry Karga air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground precision-guided bombs, or internal bays ensure current stealth mode maintain raw. Long-term main ya jet domestically developed missiles or electronic warfare pods be use Karga. Is jet Ka Sabs Ka's aspect high indigenous development. Turkey is jet K through APNI dependency reduce Kar Raha high foreign defense systems PE. ISMA Turkish firms Ka high avionics, radar, flight control systems or engine integration Com Kar Raha high. TAI TF KAAN Kapala prototype 2023 main rollout THA, or 2026 TAC ISKA full-scale flight testing or limited deployment start Hone key expectations high. Ya jet Turkish Air Force KF-16 fleet Ko replace Karga and a whale years main. To Dustin, TF KAAN Surf EK fighter jet Nahi high ya Turkey Ka vision high to be self-reliant in defense and compete globally. Opko Kia Lagta High, Kia TF KAAN Future Ka Game Changer Baniga Agar Video Pazand Ayiho, like or subscribe Zaro or Korean. Bell icon Dabana Mat Pulna Taki Opko Milti Raw latest defense and aviation updates. Mild Hein Agel Video Main.